Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk Luxx Control Air Invikta Pickleball Paddle. Take your pickleball game to the next level with the Selkirk Luxx Control Air Invikta, a paddle designed for players who demand precision without sacrificing power. Engineered to provide ultimate control, this paddle allows you to place every shot exactly where you want it, making it ideal for strategic play and consistent performance. The Luxx Control Air Invikta features a mid-weight design that strikes the perfect balance between maneuverability and strength. Its slightly longer frame at 16.45 inches and extended 5.35-inch handle give players extra reach and ample space for two-handed backhands. The fluorite carbon fiber face paired with a 20mm thick honeycomb core ensures every shot is crisp, accurate, and responsive, allowing you to dominate rallies with confidence. Crafted with aerodynamics in mind, this paddle glides through the air effortlessly, reducing drag and giving your reflexes an edge. The result is a paddle that feels natural in your hand while delivering powerful and precise strikes. Its modern design complements its performance, offering both style and functionality. Whether you're aiming for controlled, pinpoint shots or powerful drives, the Luxx Control Air Invikta excels at every aspect of play. While it may not have the extreme pop of specialized power paddles, its versatility and overall performance make it a standout choice. With its current reduced price, it's the perfect investment for players seeking the best all-around pickleball paddle. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. Discover the perfect blend of comfort, control, and affordability with the Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. Designed for beginners and recreational players, this paddle makes learning and enjoying pickleball both fun and accessible, without compromising on quality or performance. The Radical Elite features a durable honeycomb core paired with a fiberglass face, offering a smooth, responsive hitting surface that helps players place shots with precision. Its wide paddle face provides a generous sweet spot, making it easier to return balls and develop your skills. A foam handle, similar in length to a tennis racket, delivers a comfortable grip and allows for natural swing mechanics, ensuring long playing sessions without fatigue. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, the Radical Elite emphasizes control over raw power, making it ideal for learning proper technique and shot placement. While advanced players may notice slightly less pop than higher-end paddles, the Radical Elite still offers enough versatility to compete effectively and enjoy rallies with friends or in local leagues. One of the standout features of the Radical Elite is its incredible value. Retailing at around $70, it performs like a $100 paddle, making it an ideal choice for new players, casual enthusiasts, or as a thoughtful pickleball gift. Its combination of quality, comfort, and affordability makes the Head Radical Elite a must-have paddle for anyone looking to get serious about pickleball without breaking the bank. Number 3. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. Step up your game with the Selkirk Power Air Epic, a premium pickleball paddle designed for players who demand unmatched performance and precision. One of the elite models favored on the PPA Tour, the Power Air Epic combines cutting-edge technology with top-tier craftsmanship to deliver a paddle worthy of serious competitors. The elongated handle and stand-shaped design provide a generous hitting surface while offering exceptional reach for double-handed backhands. Selkirk's innovative air opening enhances swing speed, giving your serves and volleys extra whip and power, making it ideal for aggressive, power-driven play. Every shot feels responsive and controlled, helping you dominate rallies with confidence. Playing with the Power Air Epic is an experience in itself. It's fast, lightweight, and feels like the Ferrari of paddles. The cushion handle offers a luxurious grip, and the reinforced wrapping near the base ensures a secure hold during even the most intense matches. With no pronounced edges to interfere with your shots, you enjoy cleaner returns, even on off-center hits. Designed for advanced players, the Power Air Epic is not just a tool, it's a statement. Its sleek, modern design reflects the cutting-edge technology inside, signaling that you are serious about your game. Though the $250 price point is an investment, the performance, precision, and confidence this paddle provides make it worth every penny for dedicated players seeking the best in pickleball. Number 4. Onix Graphite Z5. Step onto the court with confidence using the Onix Graphite Z5 pickleball paddle, a trusted choice among beginners and pros alike. Known for its balance of precision, control, and value, the Z5 delivers the performance of a graphite paddle at an exceptional price point under $100. Crafted with a graphite face and a Onix honeycomb core, the Z5 offers superior strength, lightweight feel, and consistent responsiveness. The combination minimizes dead spots and ensures clean, accurate returns, allowing you to finesse your shots and strategically place the ball exactly where you want it. Its thoughtfully designed shape provides a generous hitting surface, giving you an added advantage in rallies and volleys. The Z5's well-balanced weight makes it comfortable in the hand while maximizing swing speed and control. The paddle shines on serves, delivering added whip and the ability to apply spin, making every serve more challenging for opponents. With a powerful sweet spot and durable construction, this paddle accommodates a wide range of playing styles and skill levels, from newcomers to more experienced players. Whether you're just getting started or looking for a reliable paddle that won't require upgrading anytime soon, the Onix Graphite Z5 offers unmatched value and performance. Its professional-grade design, comfortable feel, and excellent control make it an ideal companion for anyone serious about improving their pickleball game. Number 5. Joola Ben John's Perseus 3S. Elevate your game with the Joola Ben John's Luxx pickleball paddle, developed in collaboration with Ben Johns, a dominant force on the PPA Tour with 123 title wins. Designed for players seeking pro-level performance, this paddle combines precision, power, and cutting-edge technology to give you a competitive edge on the court. The Luxx paddle features a charged carbon surface that has been bond-treated for enhanced strength and stability, delivering crisp feedback and improved energy return on every shot. Its patent-pending propulsion core provides explosive power across all playstyles, from line drives and dinks to drops and counters, ensuring your shots have maximum impact without sacrificing control. With an elongated paddle face and an enlarged sweet spot, this paddle gives players ample hitting surface, making spin control and shot placement effortless. Every shot feels intentional, precise, and poppier, reducing the chance of mishits while giving you the confidence to play aggressively. One of the standout features is the paddle's NFC chip, connecting you to the Joola Connect app for an interactive, data-driven experience. Access personalized training videos, engage with a community of players, and gamify your practice to improve faster than ever. The Joola Ben John's Luxx paddle isn't just a tool, it's next-level pickleball technology. From its professional-grade performance to its smart features, this paddle is perfect for competitive players looking to dominate rallies, refine their technique, and enjoy every moment on the court.